Hi and welcome to my channel. This video is all about the update to my previous solar generator video back in 2019. This update is actually showing you how I'm using it as a backup system to run my NBN, or the National Broadband modem, and telephone. The 160 watt solar panels sit outside on the back veranda, hooked up to the solar generator here, which now has a second battery. It gives me 220 amps to work with, and it's all hooked up to a 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, which is being connected to the inside to my study. That's the PWM solar charger. And here you see I've got a couple of cigarette lighter plugs and a USB plug, and the switches for the battery and system. And there you can see the line running into my study, which is connected to the wall plug there, and from there I just run a short extension cord down to the power boards that have all the other plugs for the computer, or the desktop computer, and the laptop computer, desk light, printer, and a few other things that I run, a couple of chargers and stuff like that. And a couple of days ago we did have a power outage here, so without any problems I hooked up my system, and I was able to run the computers and also the telephone, which was quite important in terms of communication, and the NBN, or National Broadband modem, which of course if there's no power it wouldn't run, but having the system up and running like I have, it's worked out quite well, and the system can cope with all of these things, so I'm quite happy with the result. And that's the telephone and the NBN modem, which you see there, the green lights there. So the whole system works very well, and I'm quite happy the way it's running. And of course, as I say, it's only designed as a backup unit. So there you have it. That's the update. Thanks for watching, and take care. Thank you.